how to log in to AS University account. So if you want to log into your AS University account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for AS University login. And here you can go for the first search. And here you will have your AS University login page. So to log into your account, first you need to enter your email, which is associated with your AS University. So enter your email address, and then you need to enter your password on the next blank. But if you don't remember your password, or if you forgot your password, then you can go for forgot your password, which is here, and you can reset or recover your password. And once you've done, you need to enter your password here, and then you need to click on enter. And after clicking on enter, if your information is correct, then it will log you into your AS University account. That's it. That's how you log into your AS University account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.